Here's a little idea on how to frame your TV on the wall to make it look as if it's less modern, less clunky and more inspired and integrated into the room. This is a quick fix. Get yourself a tape measure and measure the size of your screen. This one's 91 centimeters, so make that 92 centimeters or 92.5. The height is 56 centimeters, so make that 57 or 57.5 centimeters. So take those sizes, 92.5 by 57.5, and go to your local picture framer and ask them to make you a frame up, not with the size of where the glass would be. You only want the frame, not the glass, not the back, just the frame, and that inside size that you give them. Choose your frame, then all you do is put two little pins or fixings on the wall, pop the frame on, and guess what? You've been framed.